Good morning, students. In accountancy, in the continuation of accountancy, I have given you a topic in the accounting of business studies. Sorry, not business studies. In the accounting of partnership. In the accounting of partnership, there was a topic absence of partnership date. जब भी दो पार्टनर्स के बीच में कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट होता है और उसमें पार्टनरशिप डीड एब्सेंट होता है. डू यू नो व्हाट इज पार्टनरशिप डीड? पार्टनरशिप डीड मीन्स पार्टनरशिप के बीच में जो बिजनेस दो पार्टनर के बीच में जो एग्रीमेंट होता है, दैट एग्रीमेंट इज कॉल्ड दी पार्टनरशिप डीड. Today I am going to take an example of the partnership deed, this system. One question. So I have written over one question here. In that, first of all I am going to read the question. Yes, it is very important to read the question very carefully. Now the question is, Akriti and Bindu are entered in a firm on 1st April 2015 विदाउट एनी एग्रीमेंट. इट मीन्स कि इन दोनों के बीच में एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट हुआ, एक फर्म स्टार्ट हुआ, लेकिन कोई भी एग्रीमेंट दोनों के बीच में नहीं था. दे इंट्रोड्यूस्ड कैपिटल 5 lakh and 3 lakh. इट मीन्स आकृति ब्रिंग द कैपिटल टू द फर्म फॉर द बिजनेस, दैट इज 5 lakh एंड बिंदु इंट्रोड्यूस 3 lakh. बोथ हैव स्टार्टेड देयर business. The business has started by the January, it was entered on the 1st April. So April, May, June, July, August, September. Now when the October came, on the 1st October 2015, the Akriti advanced 20,000 by way of loan to the firm. It means Akriti has given the loan to the firm. Good. And profit and loss account ended on March 2016 showed the profit of 43,000. It means on that year they got the profit of 43,000. Now I am going to revise my last lecture related to the absence of partnership deed. I have given you the 4 rules of absence of partnership deed. First rule was no interest on capital will be given. Here the capital is given in the question, but there is no any information regarding to the interest on capital. Now it means the first rule was, question is there were no interest on capital, and the second rule was no interest on drawing also. So there is no any information related to interest on drawing also. Only there is the information is by balance BD, and what we will written in the bracket? Profit. So what is the profit in this question? 43,000. 43,000. Okay, so I have written over. And now come to the third point. Remember the third point of our absence of partnership deed. What was the third rule? If any partner given any loan to the firm, if any partner given any loan to the firm. So in this question, who has given the loan to the firm? Akriti has advanced the loan 20,000 by way of loan. तो आकृति ने 20,000 रुपये फर्म को दिए हैं. तो फर्म का 20,000 लोन है. Now the rule was, then if any partner given any loan to the firm, then interest on loan will be charged by the rate of 6% per annum. Per annum. Now here I am going to explain you. Loan was given on which date? 1st October. यानी 1 अक्टूबर से 1 अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, January, February, March. So what we have to calculate on up to 31st March. So how much month is there? 6 months. So there is a 6 month. Now we are going to calculate the interest on loan. Now 20,000 into 6%. तो percent means तो first of all we will calculate 6%. So 6 to the 12. There is 1200. But this 1200 for the whole year, and we have to calculate the interest on capital for the 6 months. So we will write here over 6 by 12. So 12 ones are 12. It means what was the interest on loan? What the interest on loan? So we will write here 2 interest on loan. So interest on loan we will write 600 here. Now what left? What left? Tell me. Now we have to distribute the profit among the partner. Now balancing the account. So the total of credit side is 43,000 and we will write over here 43,000. Now we will balance it. So 2 interest on, sorry, it will not interest, 2 net profit, we will write 2 net profit transfer to capital account. Name of our partners are Akriti and Bindu. Now, what was the fourth rule of the question? What was the fourth rule of the question? That was profit will be distributed equally. Now, our profit, what is the profit? So, we will calculate here 43,000 minus 600. So, we will get over here 4240. So balancing figure will be 42400. So we have to distribute this amount equally in the partner, because if no agreement is there, no profit sharing ratio is there, then the profit agreement is in the absence of partnership, profit will be distributed equally. So now 21200, 21200. Here we have completed our question. So I have given you the example of one question of absence of partnership deed. If in the question the partnership deed, in the absence of partnership, other information it will be given, then we have to write here salary related to commission, all we have to enter here. But only interest on capital and interest on drawing will not be comes in the absence of partnership deed. So make practice and do it better. Thank you.